Want your videos to look more cinematic in CapCut? Today, I will show you a fast color grade using one filter and one adjustment layer. Step 1. Click your video clip on the timeline. Step 2. Click Filters at the top. Open Landscape. Pick a look you like. I will use Nightfall. Drag it onto your timeline above the video. Step 3. Click the filter layer. On the right, lower intensity. Start around 30 to 50. You want a look, not a heavy effect. Step 4. Click Adjustment at the top. Click Add Adjustment. Choose Custom Adjustment. Drag the adjustment layer onto a track above the filter. Step 5. Drag the ends of the adjustment layer so it covers the part you want to grade. Do the same for the filter layer. Step 6. With the adjustment layer selected, go to Basic. Raise contrast a little. Pull highlights down to save the sky. Lift shadows to bring back detail. If the clip is dark, raise exposure a tiny bit. Step 7. Add a touch of saturation. Keep it natural. If needed, warm it up with temp a little. Step 8. Toggle the eye icon to compare before and after. If it feels too strong, lower the sliders or reduce filter intensity. Bonus tip. Click Save as preset. Name it. Then reuse the same look later. That is it. You just graded your clip without adjusting every cut. Follow for more quick CapCut edits.